Hey, Grandpa.
Anybody that wants fireworks. Compared to New York. Yeah.
We thinned it out quite a bit already.
Oh yeah, the eucalyptus, right?
Yeah.
It's been beautiful lately.
All right.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
We got gloves if you're ready to help.
I'm afraid of heights, so
Oh.
I'm out.
Oh, you can just help drag the branches.
I got lots of work on the ground here.
Yeah.
How you
I do
doing?
that at my dad's all the time. Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh, you're
The IV, right?
Oh, your IV? Oh.
You don't want to get
You got
stuff on it.
left.
Keeps
Very smart.